Okay, we have not turned this on yet. Here's the light switch for the shower. Just turned the breaker on. Here's your Finalizing ceiling fan. Here I've got all the blades on there now, and I'm going to turn the switch on for the shower, and yes, that works. I'm going to turn this on, and it's working. It's going the wrong direction, and it's just this right here. I like to have it going the other direction, and there it goes. There we are. I've got this in high. Let's see here. That should be medium. And that should be low. All right. We got a little bit of a gap here. See, remember, I had about 4 inches to that wall right there. The reason why I put it where I did, there's roof joists up there, and that way I could put the pancake box in there and screw it right to the roof joist. The next joist was 16 inches over. That would have been too close to the wall. And I could have cut out the sheetrock and had to put a block up there and all that, and then I could have moved that exactly where I wanted. I could have done that, but it's okay where it's at. It's centered into the room because we've got the shower right here. And see where the blade is? Up to that wall. See that wall there? But it's down below the wall. See? By about 6 inches. We're fine with that. I'm happy. I'm happy. It's working nice. It's not wobbling or anything because we got the set screws up there. We've got the knuckle up tight. And that is our project. Now here's something to realize just real quick. This ceiling fan I thought was in high speed because the switch was on high speed. Well, to double check that, you got high, medium, and low. And so here's a chain right here, because you always want the chain on high. When you have, that way you can control this properly, high, medium, and low, okay? So if this is on high, this next pole would be on medium, and then off. But it's not. Now see how much faster that is? That's on high now, okay? I've got this chain set properly on high. You always want to make sure your chain is set properly. Now you can adjust it with your fan switch on the wall. High is always high, medium, and low. Okay, so if you want this on medium, I'm just going to do it right here on this fan switch, medium. You never really have to reach up there and do anything with that chain. Now I've got it on medium, okay? I've got it going in the direction where the air is coming straight down. But if you don't want the air coming straight down on you, you could turn this knob on, you know, push this. This is for winter and summer. Now see, the blade is going to stop and then it's going to go the opposite direction. What that does, it sucks the air straight up and it pushes it up to the ceiling and then across the walls on back down. So if you don't want it as airy in here, straight on your head, turn the ceiling fan in the other direction. I can still feel it. I'm standing about 2 feet away from the ceiling fan and I can feel it down on my legs because it throws the air against the wall and then it comes on down. Okay? But for the time being, I'm just going to flip that up. And most ceiling fans have that, by the way. You look on yours. If you want that air to come straight down, usually I like to have the air coming straight down on me. Because if I can't feel the air, then I'm going to want to turn the air conditioner on. Okay? Now you got to stand right in front of it, right in the middle, and you feel it. Oh yeah, that feels good. Okay, there you go. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.